Hello, elementary explorers! Today, we're going on an adventure through the different parts of a plant. Have you ever wondered how plants grow big and strong? Well, each part of a plant has a special job to do. Let's find out what makes plants so amazing. Our journey starts underground, where we find the roots. Roots are super important because they act like tiny straws, drinking up water and nutrients from the soil. This helps the plant stay healthy and strong. Roots also help anchor the plant in the ground, so it doesn't fall over, even when the wind blows. Next up, we have the stem. It's a long tube that carries water and nutrients from the roots all the way up to the leaves and flowers. This stem works hard to keep the plant standing tall and helps it reach up toward the sunlight. Now, let's meet the leaves. They catch sunlight, which helps the plant make its own food, a process called photosynthesis. Leaves turn sunlight into energy for the plant. So, whenever you see leaves stretching toward the sun, they're busy making food for the whole plant. And here's the beautiful flower. Flowers don't just look pretty, they have a special job, too. Flowers make seeds, which means new plants can grow. Inside each flower are tiny seeds waiting to be planted, and sometimes flowers attract insects like bees, who help spread these seeds far and wide. Finally, let's talk about seeds. Seeds are like little plant babies, waiting to grow. When seeds fall to the ground or get carried away by animals or the wind, they find new places to grow into plants of their own. It's like a big plant family. So, remember, every plant has roots, a stem, leaves, flowers, and seeds. Each part has a special job that helps the plant grow. Thanks for exploring the parts of a plant with us today, explorers. Join us next time for more fun and learning here on Elementary Explorers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with all our adventures.